Hi, I'm Tina Minton of Minton CPA and Associates, and I would like to talk to you today about what is the best entity for your business. As a business owner, there are several different ways that you can structure your business. Let me highlight just a few of them at a very high level view. If you have rental properties, starting with the first one, you should immediately set up an LLC. This will give you personal liability protection and asset protection. It also will give you the proper structure for your tax liability purposes and tax computation purposes. It is not taxable for Social Security, therefore you would not need to establish an S Corp and definitely not a C Corp. Some people advise to do this for one LLC for each rental property. This is a subjective matter and should be a decision and conversation that you have with your tax advisor and legal representation. How many properties per LLC? That would be a conversation that we would have, and that would be dependent upon the properties that you own and how many properties you plan on obtaining. The second thing that we would want to talk about is if it's a professional service business, we would immediately set up an LLC. At some point in time in the future, we would have proactive conversations either through semi-annual meetings or quarterly meetings to discuss when the profitability of that business as an LLC should be converted to an S Corp. The reason for this is professional service businesses are Social Security taxable. Not that we want to avoid Social Security tax, but we want to be able to comply with the IRS code. We want to be able to accurately calculate what the IRS deems to be reasonable and fair in Social Security tax, therefore minimizing tax liability at 15.3% immediately. In some occasions, you would want to set up a C Corp. There are benefits to these, but most of the clientele are not going to be a C Corp because there is double taxation and there's higher rates. And most importantly, the qualified business income tax deduction is not allowed under a C Corp, and that is a huge benefit to business owners because it's a 20% of profitability under most situations whereby you get a tax deduction. For further information, please contact us at 757-546-2870. Our website can be found at ChristinaMintonCPA.com.